Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use this command is very useful and helpful command is first is fillet and second is chamfer. Okay, two command is very important and two command is a editing command. And guys, today discuss here Solidworks lecture 33 is discuss here, and Solidworks all 3D commands learn easily, explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay, and two important command is discussed here. First is fillet and second is chamfer. And fillet is a large topic and all point is a discuss here explain deeply. Okay, at first open a Solidworks software. Okay guys, this is our Solidworks software interface, and this 3D body is already a drawing here, and this command editing command is a discuss here. And guys, what is fillet? Fillet means some important point is discussed here. Create a rounded internal or external face along one or more edge in solid or surface feature. Okay, create a rounded internal or external face along one or more edges in solid or surface face. Means one या two edge point को rounded internal parts या और external parts is a or along a face. Okay, all point is a fillet, and this board use this editing fillet command is use this body, then this body is looking nice. Okay, all body is editing command. Okay, at first click here fillet, and guys, this is a guys, this is a fillet command is used here, and this is a 4 point is very important point. And first point is a constant size fillet, and this is a variable size fillet, and this is a face fillet, and this is a full round fillet. 4 point is discussed here, and first 2 point and last 2 point is discuss here, and 2 lecture is all complete fillet point. Okay, and first 2 point is discuss here this lecture, and next lecture is first last 2 point is discuss here. Okay guys, this is a first is a constant size fillet, and this is a variable size fillet is discuss here. Okay, at first click a constant size fillet and click any edge, select this, and preview is showing here. And okay, size is a this is a circular. Okay, this is a conic, and this is a conic radius, also curvature condition, and this is a circular is a very nice, and this is a symmetric and asymmetric. Okay, this is a perfect, symmetric is a perfect. Okay, and radius is also increase and decrease. This is a 6 is correct. This is a okay, this body is a also 8 is correct. Okay, and click okay, this is a fillet, this body is a fillet. Okay, this body is looking perfect. Fillet means this body is editing part, and all is a looking body perfect. Okay, next is a variable fillet, and variable fillet is a very important because okay, and constant fillet is a also okay, another edge is select here. This is a perfect, this body is a perfect, this is a correct. Okay, and all is a perfect. Okay, and next part is a fillet is a variable. Variable is very important because, and this is a click this part. And guys, this part is a very important because this is a this part is a first part, second and third and fourth, all is a 3 point and part is a 3 part, and all is a variable. Okay, and this point is click here, this is a okay, and this is a okay, and this is a okay. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, this is 75%, 50% and 25% is okay, looking perfect. And all is a change here. Variable radius is a this is a 20 is perfect. Okay, more this is a 10 is correct. This is a looking perfect. And also this radius is a this is a 14 is correct. This is a change here. And this radius is a okay, this 16 is correct. Also this change. And also this radius is a 18 is correct, also change. And this is a okay, 22 is correct. Okay, this is a perfect, all is a change here. Okay, looking perfect. Okay, this radius is 10, this point is first preview is showing here, this radius is 10, this portion, and this is a this portion is a 14 millimeter, and this is a 16 millimeter, and this is a correct 18 millimeter, and last is a 22 millimeter. All is variable. Click okay. This is a perfect. This body is a perfect. Okay, looking is very nice, and dimension is also okay, clear. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, so nice looking here. This is a 22 radius, this is a 18 and 16 and 14 and 10, all is a correct. Okay, variable okay, this is a looking perfect. Okay, okay guys, okay, all is a fillet is a constant fillet and variable fillet is discussed here. And guys, I hope you will learn this lecture. This command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. And guys, last 2 lecture is discussed here. Last 2 lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.